Hello there, my name is Cristiani, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can link a section to a button. Let me show you an example. So I have this section here with different type of products. So if I click on this, it's gonna bring me to the programs page and specifically to this section. Let's do it again with this. It brings me to this specific section. It just brings me to the heading, so it's gonna be specific for that section. So it's really easy. You can do it with a button, or you can do it with a photo like this. So let me show you. First, you have to go to your page. So this is gonna be programs, and then just right click, then click on this, and then you should find your section here. If you scroll, you see how show you the elements that are you clicking. So if I click here, I'm just watching this, but if I scroll a little down, I will find my section. I think is this. So when you find your section, you have to copy. Just click on it and then copy this name section and then the number. So copy this, and now move to your page where you have your button, and then add the name of the page, in this case programs, like this. Add a numeral or hashtag, and then paste your section's name that you copy from this page. So paste it here and save it. So when you move to your home page, you see that if you press on it, it's gonna bring you to this. And you can do the same with a button. For example, let me do it here. If I add it here and then I add programs hashtag and then paste the section, so if I save it, I'll see how it shows me this specific section. So I hope this tutorial helps you. If you have questions, please write it down. And if you are interested in my services, go to my website. The link is in the description, and we can have a meeting to talk about your view. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.